Excuse me, I have a question for you. Something special. Would you like to dance with me? Would you like a cup of tea? Would you like to go for a walk? Would you like to sit and talk? I'd like to invite you to a show. Please tell me yes, don't tell me no. What would you like to do tonight? Everything will be alright. I'd like a steak, I'd like some wine. Would you like to be a friend of mine? Offers and questions, polite and sweet. Would you like to take a seat? Would you like some help with that? Would you like to feed the cat? She would like to learn to fly. He would like to say goodbye. We would like to visit Spain. Would you like to go by train? What would you like to do tonight? Everything will be alright. I'd like a steak, I'd like some wine. Would you like to be a friend of mine? Offers and questions, polite and sweet. Would you like to take a seat? Do you want to direct? Would you like perfect respect? I want a coffee, no that's rude. I like a coffee, that's the mood. Would you like to? Yes, I would. I'd love to. That sounds good. Would you like to?